2026 Chevrolet Blazer brings a bold refresh to the midsize SUV segment with a sleek design and upgraded tech. Its aggressive front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a sportier, more premium look than ever before. Inside, Chevrolet has stepped up its game with a high-tech interior featuring a large 13.4-inch touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comfortable leather seating, available heated and ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof create a more upscale driving experience. With improved sound insulation, the cabin feels quieter and more refined, even at highway speeds. Under the hood, the 2026 Blazer offers a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and introduces a new mild hybrid system aimed at boosting fuel efficiency and smoothing out acceleration. The standard 2.0-liter turbo delivers solid power, while the hybrid setup adds a touch of electric assistance for better city driving. The ride is responsive and composed, with optional all-wheel drive and a well-tuned suspension that balances comfort with agility. Safety tech is also upgraded, including features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and hands-free driving on select highways. Overall, the 2026 Blazer is a smart blend of style, tech, and performance that makes it a strong contender in its class.